Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Boleh sakit na? Jamal Osman kana nama diho asitti karkare asitti filmatan inji fatani sa asitti maddi labani abboni mangoni abbali bafati nama kan inshallah fudura nama to konne Oromo rakani mufuda pamana rakene nama to ko kal Oromo to ko hisi sini fuda jede nama kan alle inshallah ulfata sini jechu hidaga inshallah dai kala.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nami kunini Jamal Osman ka yuwarana ga fanar mandunde asadanne inni amma wan suja arkate kura suni ga fasila no safila kana kuse karate galati rabbi badini galati warqa badini galati wasab badini la arkate am khanat galati sariga chufe Kenapa kamu kufeta mata di sampai sini dulu galato bayar ini mari sangu fini dulu galati sariga chu galati sariga chu
Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jamal Osman. I'm the new elect City Council of Minneapolis. I just came here to thank Allah and also thank Bashir and the staff here and also all of you. If you live here, you know there has been a campaign going on. But Alhamdulillah, the victory came to us, to our community. I came here before 3-4 times. I got so much support from the community here. I wanted to mention that the presidents here and the sheikh and the masjid and the community have responsibility to have a representation in the city hall. I work for you. I just want to make sure that I am doing my work, and I want your dua, I want your guidance, and I want your support to do my job better. You are sending me City Hall to represent everyone here in our community. We are blessed. We have our masjid here, we have our community, and we have our family here. And we want to make sure that we keep it that way. And we are electing someone who is close to Allah and also close to the community. So I just want to say thank you so much, all of you. My office is open for you. I want your guidance, and I want to make sure that I am connected. I'm working with you. I'm working for you. Now I'm going to hand it to Sheikh Hussein.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Jamal, wani shuti lugara soma, wani sanuka kartakane, ya argane, karabiti argane, karkesine ya argane, ampurasuni, garasoma isamun mugayne, amalle amwa nuji, karami sena, wani rafiqa tufti lura andafani, karabiti, nuji ebsa, aku jitu tufti lurafu, aku wali hojalu, kanu garasoma isengeli, agaru musoti lubere. Thank you very much, celiyay.
Polisi ke Jamal kijaku amma bakasan arkat ujisan akka amana nama kutu abdi nabok makataya masulum manjabtu amanan jabtu isini dalam ufdema matakanaf dalam ufdema office se ufdema ujitesan yadan ni kabira abata Nande kajecha irrende na taha dua inde na gora akar binajar basu jade rabbi najai saha basu rabbi saha karkaru rabbi ni bitana gari waral khairi rabbi sagar garu bitana gari rabbi saha guru nama gari ofisa ke rabbi saha kayu nama baraka abu isa wajhi hadal aksi subri isa baraka atahu barakallahu fikum jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Warri ustayodi ratana kalam atas safi bulat inshallah barakallahu fikum.